cloudy.
Apple.
Oh, you can't eat apple.
Mommy?
You can't?
Oh, basic.
What do you eat?
Graham crackers. They're in mommy's pack.
I have Fluox.
Okay, I can have squash.
What are kulaks?
It's a cross between a plum and an apricot.
Oh, what?
A good one.
Ooh, I won one. I can't reach it.
Just got one.
Because you keep dropping it. I keep losing it.
I want apple.
It's good.
Take it, take it, take it.
It's either like steep or flat, yeah. The steep could be good, it's just hard to tell, you know? I don't know how it's
That is good.
that almost looks